Welcome to Roadside Basics. My name is Will. I'm here at Dartmouth Dodge in Dartmouth, Nova Scotia to walk you through the basics of car maintenance. Each and every vehicle should be looked after properly to save time, money, and headache. With basics, you can start with the jump-off point on how to learn and progress, or just to save yourself some money on a day off with basic hand tools. Everyone's been there. Maybe you left your lights on and music going. Maybe you're rolling through a parking lot and you want to be a good Samaritan. In this episode, I will be showing you how to boost a vehicle. First thing you want to do is make sure your cables work. Different vehicles have different battery size needs, so a small Civic will not be able to boost a big Ram 1500, and a Ram 1500 might hurt the Honda Civic when boosting due to electrical load differences. Now that we know what we're working with, we're going to go ahead and open up the hood. If you're jumping someone else, always be sure to park close enough for the cables to reach, but in a safe place and out of traffic. If this is unavoidable, make sure both cars have their four-ways turned on. Each vehicle is different. In this demonstration, we are working with my Jeep, which will have clasp on each side and hook underneath the hood. Most vehicles have a two-stage latch that start with a button or a latch in the driver's footwell and finish with the same style of latch underneath my hood. Before putting the cables on the battery, making them hot or live, alligator clips need to be clipped to themselves to prevent arcing and sparks. Anything else you may want to see only in other scenarios. Most batteries have straightforward indications of where to place your battery clips. Red is always positive. This clip is placed on the battery on a point that is usually marked with a red cap with a plus sign. Black is always negative. This acts as a ground for the electricity that completes the circuit. So place this on a bare metal spot if there's no battery negative terminal. For example, the engine block or any unpainted area. When you're done boosting, let the cable stay attached while you count to 3. I take the negative off first and then the positive. Same on the vehicle that has been getting boosted. Once the car is running, you're positive you can hit the road. Like and subscribe for more tips on how to keep your vehicle in top shape. Special thank you to Dartmouth Dodge, proud sponsor of the Nova Scotia Jeep Club, made possible by Taking It Global and Rising Youth Grants.